Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where wood, creativity, and soulful design come together to turn everyday spaces into something truly special. Today's video is all about transformation, how simple, empty walls can evolve into powerful design statements. If you've ever looked at a blank wall in your home and felt it was missing warmth, character, or meaning, you're in the right place. In this episode, we're exploring large wooden wall decor inspiration, ideas that don't just decorate a wall, but tell a story, create emotion, and bring nature indoors. At Kuki Decor, we believe walls are more than boundaries. They are silent storytellers. And when wood becomes part of that story, the result is timeless. Large wooden wall decor has a unique presence. It grounds a space, adds depth, and instantly makes a room feel intentional. Whether your style leans modern, rustic, minimal, or organic, wood has the rare ability to adapt while still standing out. Let's begin by talking about scale. Large wall decor works because it commands attention. Instead of filling a wall with many small pieces, a single oversized wooden installation creates focus and calm. Think of a wide reclaimed wood panel behind a sofa, an expansive carved wood art piece in a dining room, or a floor-to-ceiling wooden feature wall in an entryway. These pieces don't shout, they speak confidently. They invite the eye to slow down and truly see the space. One of the most beautiful things about large wooden wall decor is the natural texture. The grain, knots, cracks, and imperfections in wooded layers that paint and wallpaper simply cannot replicate. A large slab of raw, or lightly finished wood becomes living art. Every line tells a story of time, growth, and nature. In modern interiors, this texture creates warmth. In rustic spaces, it enhances authenticity. In minimalist homes, it becomes the hero element. Reclaimed wood plays a powerful role here. Old barn wood, factory planks, salvaged doors, or weathered beams bring history into modern homes. When used as large wall decor, reclaimed wood adds soul. You're not just decorating, you're preserving and celebrating material that has already lived a life. At Kuki Decor, we love how reclaimed wood turns walls into conversation pieces. Each mark and color variation becomes part of the design language. Large wooden wall art also allows for creative expression. Carved patterns, geometric compositions, layered wood panels, or abstract arrangements can transform walls into gallery-worthy displays. Some designs feel bold and architectural, while others feel soft and organic. The beauty lies in balance, letting the wood shine without overwhelming the room. Neutral surroundings often work best, allowing the wood to become the focal point. Another inspiring approach is nature-inspired wooden wall decor. Designs that echo leaves, waves, tree rings, or flowing organic forms create a deep connection to the natural world. These pieces feel calming and grounding, especially in living rooms and bedrooms. Large-scale nature-inspired wood art can change the entire mood of a space, making it feel peaceful, welcoming, and alive. Wooden wall panels are another powerful option. Vertical or horizontal slatted wood walls add rhythm and movement. They work beautifully behind TVs, beds, or dining tables. When done in large scale, slatted panels bring architectural interest while maintaining simplicity. Light-colored woods feel airy and modern, while darker tones add drama and richness. Lighting plays a big role here. Soft wall lighting or spotlights can highlight the texture and depth of the wood. For those who love a modern industrial look, combining large wooden wall decor with metal accents creates striking contrast. A massive wood panel framed in black steel, or wooden art paired with metal sconces, blends warmth with edge. This style is perfect for lofts, modern homes, and creative spaces where character matters. Large wooden wall decor isn't limited to living rooms. In dining areas, oversized wooden installations create a sense of gathering and comfort. In hallways, they turn transitional spaces into design moments. In offices or studios, they add inspiration and focus. Even bedrooms benefit from large wooden headboard walls or statement panels that bring calm and coziness. One important element to consider is color and finish. Natural finishes allow the wood to breathe and feel authentic. Matte or lightly oiled surfaces highlight grain without glare. Dark stains create luxury and depth, while whitewashed or light woods feel fresh and Scandinavian-inspired. At Kuki Decor, we always encourage choosing finishes that complement your space rather than compete with it. Large wooden wall decor also supports sustainable living. Choosing wood, especially reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, is a conscious design decision. It's a way to bring beauty into your home while respecting the environment. When decor is meaningful and long-lasting, it reduces the need for constant change and waste. If you're a DIY enthusiast, large wood wall decor opens endless possibilities. Creating your own oversized wood art or paneling allows you to personalize your space completely. Simple techniques like arranging planks in patterns, layering different wood tones, or experimenting with textures can result in stunning outcomes. Handmade pieces carry emotion. You see the effort, creativity, and intention every time you look at them. Lighting is the final touch that truly elevates large wooden wall decor. Soft ambient lighting, wall washes, or directional spotlights can bring out the depth and shadows in the wood. At night, lighting transforms wooden walls into warm, glowing features that change the atmosphere of the room. As you watch these ideas unfold, imagine how your own blank walls could change. That's the power of large wooden wall decor. It doesn't just fill space, it creates experience. If you're enjoying this inspiration, take a moment to like the video. It really helps support the channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Kuki Decor and turn on notifications. We post videos daily, sharing wood decor ideas, upcycling inspiration, and timeless design concepts that help you create a home you truly love. Remember this: your walls deserve more than decoration, they deserve meaning. Large wooden wall decor offers that meaning through nature, craftsmanship, and thoughtful design. Whether bold or subtle, modern or rustic, wood has a way of making a space feel human. Thank you for spending your time with Kuki Decor. Let your walls tell a story, let wood bring warmth into your home, and let design reflect who you are. See you in the next video.